In today's fast-paced business world, seamless communication is paramount. How can your business ensure efficiency and exceptional experiences for customers and your team? Introducing Dialogs, an innovative no-code omnichannel customer engagement platform. Did you know? 74% of consumers use conversational assistants for research and purchases. Dialogs allows for engaging prospects 24/7 on your website, Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, directly through our Omnichannel chatbot. AI-powered conversations guide interactions based on emotions and context, ensuring personalized experiences. Gain valuable data insights with Dialogs, enabling data-driven decisions and understanding customer preferences and purchasing patterns. Forbes reports that 86% of customers prefer human interaction. Dialogs can seamlessly transition qualified leads or customer queries from AI bot to live assist via chat, audio, or video for personalized follow-up. Expand your reach through Dialogs omnichannel marketing. A diverse mix of channels with enhanced capabilities, ensuring unified messaging across all platforms. Seamless integration with marketing and business tech stack. Easily add on new channels to meet evolving business requirements. With Dialogs, reduce customer response time by 40%, enhance efficiency by 75%, and save operational costs up to 30%. Transform your customer engagement journey with Dialogs.